Hello everyone, thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day to watch this video. Today I'll be making two beautiful sconces out of Dollar Tree products. You ready? Let's get started. The items that I will be using for this project will be in a description box. Now I have already cut out two pieces of cardboard that I will be using for the back of each one of my sconces. What I'm doing right now is measuring this piece of glitter paper that I purchased from Michael's, and now I am cutting it out, and this will be the front of my sconcer. I want to take the time out to welcome my first time viewers. If this is your first time to Monica Monet Collection, welcome. Go ahead on and push that subscribe button, like button, and turn your notification bell on so you can know each time I upload a video. I appreciate you stopping by and becoming a part of this family. You know I can't leave out my loving, supporting family who supports me on each one of my videos. I love you guys from where? The bottom of my heart. After I finish cutting my paper out, now I'm going to glue it to both sides of my cardboard. Right now I'm just pressing the paper against the cardboard until the glue dries. Now it's time for me to glue my napkin rings to my cardboard. These napkin rings are already glued together because I used them on a previous project on another video. So go on over and watch that video and see what else I made with these napkin rings. After I finish gluing down my napkin rings onto my cardboard, then I'm going to glue some gems on top of my napkin rings. The next thing I'm going to do is take some diamond wrap and glue it around the edge of the bottom of my cardboard. I'm going to take a moment out and just encourage you for today. A good friend of mine sent this to me a couple of days ago. Every morning we send each other something very encouraging to start our day with, and she gave me this saying, and I would like to share it with you guys. Okay, it starts off like this: remember that time God protected you from what you thought you wanted? Or what about that time no one else was there for you but him? And you must remember that time you didn't know how or if you would even make it, and you're still here. There's no greater feeling in this world than knowing God loves him some you. I just want to take the time to let you know God loves you, and he's protecting you, and he sees everything, and he's comforting you through it all. Family, I also want to encourage you to take control of your destiny, believe in yourself, ignore those who try to discourage you, and most of all, don't give up and don't give in. These sconces, along with their matching mirror, can be placed in any room in your home. Okay, now right now I'm cutting out my two leaves and the word grateful. After I finish gluing down all of my diamond wrap around my sconcer, then I will place my word grateful on the front of my sconcer. The word and the leaves already have adhesive glue on the back of them, but you can put some Mod Podge on them. The last thing I'm going to do is add my LED lights to my sconcer. All I did was put some Scotch tape on the back of each one of my LED lights, then place it inside of my sconcer. Then I took my tea lights and glued it to my napkin rings. In order to hang my sconcers, I cut out a piece of diamond wrap and glued it to the back of each one of my sconcers. Please go over and watch the video of the mirror that I made that goes along with these sconcers. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn your notification bell on, and come back and watch many more of my videos to come. I appreciate you watching. Blessings to you and your family, and have a blessed day.